So today we are going to think addition to subtraction with lesson 5. So let's watch the video first. While you're waiting for me, make sure your name's on your paper. Once your name's on your paper, look up here. Got it?
You can use addition to help you subtract. Look at the picture. What does the 7 show? The 7 shows the whole.
Right? We learned that yesterday. The whole.
What do the 3 counters show?
The part.
Select your answer.
Right? Is the 3 counters one part or the whole?
The whole part.
One part, right? Because this number up here was the whole. This is one part. You're right.
The 3 counters show one part. What subtraction fact does the picture show?
What's
Three,
subtraction
and
fact?
a question mark.
Okay, so what subtraction fact does it show? Let's see.
It shows 7 minus 3 equals what?
All right, -3.
When you have a subtraction fact, you can think of an addition fact that goes with it. How does this picture show addition?
Look here, the one part plus the other part equals the whole, right? So it shows addition that way.
It shows 3 plus a missing part equals 7. Does this picture still show 7 minus 3?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yes, it still shows 7 minus 3. How can it show both 7 minus 3 equals what and 3 plus what equals 7?
Let's find out.
They are related facts.
Can you say that related fact?
What can you add to 3 to make 7? You have to find the missing part. What is the missing part?
Do you know what the missing part is?
No. Four.
Anna. I heard her first. She said
Four.
4.
The missing part is 4. In the activity that comes next, how does moving the paper change the number sentences? What part of an addition or subtraction sentence shows the number you covered?
Okay, so how does the moving the paper change the number sentence? All right, let's try it. Okay, so here we go. If I go like this,
3 plus 4 equals 7. So 7 minus 3 equals 4.
okay, so the 3 in this part plus how many here equals the whole, right? The 2 parts equal the whole when you add them together. But then also the related fact is you have 7, take away 3. You're going to find out how many are missing, how many are under this paper, which is 4. And then if I take the paper and I put it over this side,
3 plus 4 equals 7. So 7 minus 4 equals 3.
they add the 2 missing parts. The 3 under here plus the 4 part equals the whole. And the subtraction, you start out with the whole then. Look up here, please. And you take away the 4 equals how many are under here. If you have something out of your busy or your crayon box, let's put it away and we'll be looking up here. Thank you. All right, the related facts.
Think of the addition fact to solve the subtraction fact. What is the addition fact that will help you solve 7 minus 3? 3 plus 4 equals 7. What is 7 minus 3?
And what's 7 minus 3?
7 minus 3 equals 4.
Excellent.
How does 3 plus 4 equals 7 help you find 7 minus 3 equals 4? You know that 3 and 4 make 7. You also know from the subtraction fact that 1 part of 7 is 3. That means the other part is 4. That's the answer.
Okay,
Now we know how to use addition to help us subtract.
okay, so adding can help us subtract the related facts. We are going to try it now. So let's do our solve and share. All right, ready?
Jenna has 6 beach balls. 4 of them blow to the other side of the pool. How many does she have left? How can you use an addition fact to find the answer to 6 minus 4? Use counters to help you solve the problem.
Okay, so Jenna has 6 beach balls and 4 of them blow to the other side of the pool. So here we have 6 beach balls, so that's our hole. So write your hole at the top. Then we're gonna draw counters. How many blew to the other side of the pool?
4.
4. So draw 4 counters here. So here in our addition equation, we want to write 1 part plus the other part equals the whole. So how many on the other part? How many would be here? How many are missing in the other part? 2, right? Because 4 plus 2 equals 6. So put the 2 there. Okay, so that's the addition equation. That's going to help us solve the subtraction equation. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. We know 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now when we subtract, so 6, you always put the whole number first when you subtract. 4 balls blew away, right? So she had 6 balls. 4 balls blew to the other side of the pool. How many were left? 2 then, right? You see how the addition equation helped you solve the subtraction equation. 4 plus 2 equals 6. The 2 parts equal the whole, or the whole minus 1 part equals the other part. Okay, we'll keep going. All right, let's go ahead and, does everyone have this on their paper?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
You wrote in your equations? Okay, let's go ahead and turn to the practice. So you'll see the video again. Go ahead and turn one page, Ben. Turn one page, Ben. Turn one page. Ethan, turn one page. All right. We're going to do our guided practice and we'll come back to this. All right, here we go. Think addition to help you subtract. Draw the missing part and then write the numbers. So let's look here. We know the whole, we know 1 part, and we're figuring out the other part. They sort of have done it for you. So if we have 4 minus 3 equals what? We could try to figure it out by adding 2 numbers together to find the whole. So 3 plus what equals 4? 3 plus, trace this 1 counter, write 1. 3 plus 1, the 2 parts equals the whole. So the whole minus the part equals the other part. So 4 minus 3 equals how many? 1. There you go. Now let's look over at number 2. 8 minus 5 equals what? We can use addition to help us solve that. Here's 5. How many more are we going to add to make 8? What do you think? Mina? 3. Let's draw them in and see if that's right. We'll draw 3 counters in. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're right. 3 plus 5. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. The 2 parts equal the whole. So that means the whole minus the 5 equals the other part, which is 3. The whole minus the part equals the other part. See those related facts? Okay, now we can come over to how can addition fact help you solve 7 minus 6? Okay, so if you, how can an addition fact help you solve that? If we know that 6 plus what equals 7? What does 6 plus what equals 7? 1. We know 6 plus 1 equals 7. So what do you think 7 minus 6 equals? 1. There you go. The two parts make the whole. Here, the whole minus one part equals the other part. Okay? This is something you're going to do a lot next year in first grade. We're just starting to get our minds thinking. Learn some new things before we go on. Does anybody need more time? Okay. Go ahead, I'll give you another moment. Okay, when you're ready, flip your paper so I know you're ready. Flip if you're ready. Flip your paper if you're ready. PJ, you ready? You got it? You're on the next page? Good. Ben, you ready? Flip your paper if you're ready. You should not have markers out, Ben. Ben, I didn't say turn. You gotta flip, buddy. Just flip it. So you see this one. All right, here we go. Let's do this together. Okay, we're going to think addition to help you subtract, draw the missing parts, and then write the numbers. 6 plus what equals 9? How many more counters can you draw here? 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many more counters are we going to draw? Someone on this side of the room, how many more counters are we going to draw? What plus 6 equals 9? Charlotte. Okay, so let's see. If we have 6 here, you can say 6, 7, 8, 9. We're close. So how many did we draw to make 3? So if 6 plus 3 equals 9, the two parts equal the whole. So that means 9 minus one part equals the other part. So 9 minus 6 equals what? 3. The addition is helping you solve your subtraction problems too. All right, let's go to number 4. 2 plus what equals 5? Okay, let's draw in 3 and see. 1, 2, 3. Does that make 5?
Yeah.
Yes. 2 plus 3 equals 5. So the whole minus 2 equals, what's the other part? 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. See how that works? You got that written in? Okay, let's move on to number 5. Nope. All right, catch up if you're not caught up. Ben, you got this written in? Okay. Mask over your nose, buddy. Thank you. I know. Go ahead, get it done. I'm waiting for you to catch up. While you're waiting, see if you could do number 5 on your own. See if you could figure out 3 plus what equals 7. Okay, go ahead and try to figure out number 5 on your own. 3 plus what equals 7. Draw in your counters. Write your number on the line. And then figure out the subtraction equation. Okay, so let's try it together. 3 plus what equals 7?
4.
Everyone?
4.
So if I draw in 4 counters, the whole minus 1 part equals 4. The other part, 7 minus 3 equals 4. Got it?
Yes.
Thumbs up? Awesome. Okay. Draw the shape to complete the equation. So we gotta think here. If triangle plus, what shape is this, everyone? Star equals what shape? Rectangle. Then rectangle minus triangle equals what? What do you think? So these are the two parts that make the whole. So then the whole minus 1 part equals the other part, which is star. So try your best to draw a star here. Just try your best. You can also do it. You can do it like that, or you can do it like this.
I just do it like this.
You go up this way, like almost like a triangle. You go through that line, through that line, through that line.
I'm not sure. Look at mommy talking. And half. I would something.
Right? 2 parts make the whole. The whole minus 1 part equals the other part. Awesome. Once you have your star drawn, go ahead and turn to the very last page. We'll get this. He's mounting us. Right, watch. Can you do it? You can go like this. You can go down like this, and then watch. You come through the middle of the line like that, and then you come to the middle of this line, and then you connect it. Okay, now I'm going to trace over that. Okay? Get it? Okay, watch. Go like that. This way, and come this way, and go through the line, back. Stars are hard to make. It takes some practice. There you go. You got it.
I'm still on Disney.
You're still on what page, Jamie? Yes, Aiden. You got it. You did it. That's a great start. Come on. Go this way, and then you put it through the line, through the line. Yeah, you did a great job. We'll practice those later, okay? All right, number 7. Claire needs 9 tickets to get on a ride. She has 4 tickets. She needs some more tickets. How many tickets does Claire still need? You can use tools to solve. Okay, let's think about it. How many tickets does she have? What's the whole number? Her total number? How many altogether did she have? Or does she need? Sorry, did she need? I'm sorry, you're right. She has 4. How many does she need? 9. Thank you. She has 4. She needs 9. So she needs 9, but she only has 4. Okay, so 4 plus what equals 9? The 2 parts equal the whole. Okay, can you get that written in, buddy? So how many more does she need to tickets? Okay, let's draw them in and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does 4 plus 5 equal 9? Yes, it does. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. If you need to, if you need it to help you solve the problem, then yes. Okay, so now she has 9, she needs 9 tickets, and she only had 4 tickets. How many does she still need? 5, right? The whole minus 1 part equals the other part. So how many tickets? She needs 5 tickets. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 9 minus 4 equals 5. So she needs 5 tickets. See how addition helps you with subtraction? All right, let's look at number 8. Getting ahead of myself. Number the box. She uses addition to find how many are missing. Is Erin correct? Okay, Erin has a box that holds 8 crayons. 2 are in the box. Is this correct? That 10 crayons are missing?
No.
Let's think about it. Erin has a box that holds 8 crayons. 2 are inside. How many are missing? So we need to take the 2 parts to make the whole. What is the whole? How many crayons did she have altogether? 8, right? So she has 2 plus what equals 8? If you add 7 and you add it to 2, it would be 9. 6, right? Because if you have 2, if you need to get to 8, and you have 2, how many more do you need? Count those together. 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 plus 6. So then 8 minus 2 would equal 6. So how many crayons are missing? 6 crayons are missing. So is she correct? No, she is not correct. And oh no. 10 crayons are not missing. 6 crayons are missing. Yeah, she added the total number of crayons she had plus 2 crayons she already had. So that's not the way you're supposed to do it. So she should use the addition equation like this first. All right, now number 9. Almost done. It's a long one today, but we're almost there. Which addition facts? You hear facts, so that means more than one. There's that S on the end. Can help you solve the problem. So which addition facts can help you solve the problem? Choose all that apply. So that means there's going to be more than one when they say choose all that apply. So here we go. What? Excuse me, quiet with your pens and pencils. Okay, so we have to choose addition facts that will work. Okay, so first let's figure this out. Here's the whole, here are the parts. How many more counters do we need to draw to find the other part? 5. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So does this part and this part make the whole? Yes. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Now let's come down here and find which addition equations work. Go with this. Does 5 plus 2 equal 7? Let's see. 5 plus 2 equals 7, is that right? Yeah, so check that box. Does this show 3 plus 4 equals 7? No, it doesn't show that, right? There's not 3 over here. There's not 4 over there. Yes, 3 plus 4 equals 7, but this doesn't show that, right? And that's not the related fact to go with 7 minus 2. How about 2 plus 5 equals 7? Yes. Would 6 plus 1 equal 7 work? No, 6 plus 1 is 7, but it's not a related fact with 7 minus 2. All right, you good? All right, that's a little introduction for what's to come next year. You guys did awesome on that.